Hello everyone! Today we are talking about several ways for promoting Instagram posts. We will explain all of them so you could choose the one that is most suitable for you. Promoting an Instagram post is very important for the business growth, purchases, conversions, getting a wider audience, new followers, etc. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's get straight to the point. Go to your Facebook page and then go to Facebook Ad Center. In order to promote Ad Center on Instagram, you'll have to create an Instagram profile that is connected to your page. If you want to create and promote a post, click on Choose a Goal, then Boost an Instagram post. Choose Instagram Post, and then click on Boost Post. Special Ad Category. This is the first step. If you're promoting credit, unemployment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, be sure that you check this box. It can happen that Facebook may block your account if you do not follow those previously signed and agreed rules. There are some limits and boundaries. For example, if you're in politics, you can't advertise to those younger than 18 years old. Audience is limited by age. If you're not in a special ad category, you can choose the age. Audience. You can choose the existing audience, or you can create a new one. Also, you can choose people who liked your page, their friends, and people in a local area. People who liked your page and their friends. If there's a special offer for your followers, or you want to address just those who liked your page in order to give them some special discount, use this target group. People in a local area. If you're selling ice cream or have a small local shop, bookstore, or small business that is vital for some local area, then use this audience. Now click on Create New One. Give your audience a name. Choose gender, age, location, as in country, region, town, municipality, and choose the size of the area by moving the dot to the left or right. Choose the size of the desired region. Type the location name, state, country, city, municipality, or just a street, or you can just drop the pin and choose the range in kilometers or miles. Detail targeting is important when you want to address people according to their interests. For example, if you're selling makeup, choose interests such as beauty, lifestyle, makeup, lipstick, eyeshadow, eyelashes, beautiful skin. By clicking on detail targeting, you can choose the specifics like education and educational level, school name, field of study, financial income for US citizens, life events such as anniversary, birthday, new job, engagement. Each detail is important if you have a specific thing to present or sell. For example, you're making wedding chair covers. You can address the wedding organizers, check wedding or engagement interests, click on father, mother, parents. How many days do you want your promotion to last? Choose the number or choose the end date. Now choose the budget. Be sure that your budget corresponds with the desired advertising period. On the right-hand side, you'll see that Facebook instantly shows you estimated daily results, reach, and engagement. This ad you can place on Instagram, but also on Facebook. Payment method. Anytime you can check and change payment method. See all previews. Anytime you're able to see how your boosted post will look like on Instagram and Instagram Explorer feed. At the very end, click on Boost Post Now. And your promotion will start as soon as Facebook approves it. For other parts of Ad Center that can help you promote your business or services, be sure to watch our video, Facebook Ad Center. You can promote posts on Instagram from Facebook's Ads Manager as well. You can see how it's done in our video tutorial, How to Use Facebook Ads Manager and Create Campaign. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.